Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. I know I usually film like an intro describing the product, but y'all, I'm just so busy with Christmas this year. I have literally been living in this room most of my day. So we're just going to do it a little unconventional. So anyway, I have a super duper easy project today. I will be using this mold that has the 6 bars. And I have some leftover gummy bear soaps from the gingerbread house soap that we made. So I wanted to see how I can reuse these. So I decided to make a candy style soap. So here I have Crystal Clear Melt and Pour by Crafter's Choice, and I have not scented it. I do want to create one layer for each soap so the gummy bears can sit on there and they're not like, sticking out. And then I'll go ahead and scent it with a Mango Sorbet. It smells like a sweet, sweet ripened mango. After a while, it just smells like sweet tropical fruit, but it's really delicious. I love it. So I'm using this at 2%. So I've divided my my gummy bears here. So I made 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make 4 soaps. Okay, and you can do this with start. And I just want to pour just a tiny bit, just enough. So the I keep calling them teddy bears. So the gummy bears don't stick out. This is a great project to do with the kiddos as well. Okay, so now this is warm enough. It's at 140. I think I'm going to wait to add the fragrance until this one sets so we can start putting in the gummies. So we'll be back. Okay, so a lot happened between the last take. I actually ended up taking out the gummy bears out, removing the original layer and putting it in here because I thought, you know what, one's going to be super duper clear and this one's going to have the fragrance oil color. So I didn't want it to be 2 shades. I guess it could have looked like a photograph, but that's not what I'm going for. Anywho, I ended up layering it with the fragrance oil and putting back the gummy bears. And we're heating this guy up a little bit. We are at 132, and I think I'm going to just go ahead and pour it in because that clear base solidifies faster. Over pour a little bit and not. Okay, I'm pushing the envelope here. Here, y'all. So I'm gonna let it sit, and then we'll come back and see what happened. And I do plan on shaving the edges so it looks a little. The aesthetics are a little bit better. So we'll be back in about an hour or so. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. Let's go ahead and unmold it. And this is what it looks like. We have to, I still have to clean it up. I think it's cute. It smells really good. It's clear enough to see the gummy bears. But honestly, if I were to do it all over again, I think instead of like 10 gummies, I'd probably put like 30 gummies in here and just have it like saturated full of gummy bears. Like I did with the scraps of soap. I don't know if you remember that one. But this is all I had, so it is what it is. So there we have it. We just made some gummy bear candy soap, melt and pour soap. Thank you for watching. See you next time.